Hello everyone and welcome back to Caribbean Livin'. On today's menu is my super yummy oven baked juicy fried chicken, and luckily it's just about dinner time here, so let's get started. In this bowl I have 10 chicken thighs that I already cleaned. In this bowl I have my seasoning mixture. Give it a good mix. Pour it all over your chicken and mix it in well. Cover it and leave it to marinate for about 2 hours if you can, or even overnight. So for my super amazing baked fried chicken, you're going to need a baking sheet lined with some foil wrap and a baking rack. Set up just like this. Now in this bowl I have some panko breadcrumbs, and in here is where the magic is going to happen. This is mayonnaise, about a cup, with 2 tablespoons of mustard. Let's mix that up together. Now you're going to take a brush and baste that mixture on your chicken, both sides, and now you're going to put it in this mixture right here. And then you're going to place it on your baking sheet like that. That's it. Now once you have your chicken prepared like this, we're going to stick it into a preheated oven at 360 degrees for about an hour. Here it is, going into the oven for about an hour. This is your chicken about an hour. I like some more color, so it's going right back in there. That was 15 more minutes because I like my chicken brown and crispy. I'm hoping you guys can see how crunchy and juicy this oven fried chicken came out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe in this video. If so, please leave me a nice big fat juicy thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you're able to see when new videos are uploaded. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.